You may not know it yet, but you're closer than you think. Your manifestation, your desires, your dreams, whether it's money or love or promotion or a new job, it's closer than you think. So in this video, numerology and the law of attraction decoded. You're closer than you think. Let me share with you how. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Let's dive right into this video. So the universe is always speaking to us. It's always communicating with you and I. It's just that generally we're in ordinary levels of awareness and we are not attuned to the higher order of the universe. This whole universe works in total perfection and organization. How could it not? Think about the fact that the Earth orbits perfectly around the Sun. It never gets too far away, otherwise this would be a giant galactic freezer. It never gets too close, or else we'd all be fried hamburgers. It's the perfect distance away. It stays in divine order and divine perfection. There is a beautiful divine order of the universe. On a macro level, given the stars, the planets, the constant expansion of the universe, as well as a micro level, us, you and I. There's an order to our lives. Now, the universe speaks to you through synchronicities. A lot of times people will say, wow, this is a coincidence. This is lucky. This is unexplainable. This is a coincidence. But a synchronicity means that everything is exactly what it's supposed to be. It's not some unexplainable luck. Now, the number one way to know that you're closer than you think, or that the universe is trying to speak to you right now, is you're starting to see things that are repeating. It doesn't just need to be numbers, but quite often it is. So it might be that every time you're waking up, it seems to be 3:33 in the morning when you wake up to go use the restroom. It seems that every time you look at the clock, it's 11:11. And maybe you're at work and you've had your dream business you've been wanting to do, but you're afraid to start working on that, even if it's on the weekends. But you keep seeing 11:11. That's the universe confirming to you that there is order in your desire. So whatever it is that you, and by order in your desire, I mean that the universe will support you if you finally say yes to your dream. You might be contemplating asking somebody out in the coffee shop, and you're working on your computer, and you look at your computer and it's 11:11 or it's 2:22. Whatever it is that's going on in your head at the time that you see the repeating numbers is the numerology, is the mathematics of the perfection of the universe saying to you that what you're thinking is true. Or whatever you have been thinking about, or the big decision going on in your life, it's true. It's a yes. You are on the right path. You might have written down your goals last night, or you might be working on a new project, or you just entered a new relationship or job, and then you keep seeing the repeating numbers. What it's telling you is the universe has your back. There's nothing to worry about. Repeating numbers are reminding you of the perfection of the universe. Comment down below, the universe has my back. Comment that down below, the universe has my back. So this may sound a little abstract, but think about it like this. I just said the Earth is always at the perfect distance away from the Sun. The galaxies are birthing forever. This is genuine perfection. If you really think about the fact that if we were any further away from the Earth, life wouldn't even exist. Think about the fact, how the heck do we happen to be the perfect distance from the Sun? There happens to be oxygen, all of these plants that grow, rain comes down without us doing anything that grows the plants and trees, which produce the oxygen. We breathe out the carbon dioxide, we breathe back in oxygen. You started from a microscopic protoplasm, it contained all of your eye colors, all your height, everything in it. Man, this universal intelligence is actually perfect. The only imperfection comes from subconscious programming we've inherited, false limiting belief systems, letting fear control us. But that's not who you are. So the universe is always there to support you. And it's trying to remind you that. A higher level of awareness and consciousness is trying to remind you that through repeating numbers. So you might be working on something, you might have a new project, you might have a new goal, you might have new things coming your way. It is on the way if you are seeing repeating numbers. It is on the way. It's reminding you of something. So whatever's going on in your mind and you see those numbers, take a step back and say, what is this showing me? What is the universe trying to let me know? Given that everything is perfect, there's a divine order, the universe is for constant expansion. The stars are always growing, expanding. It's totally endless and infinite in every sense of the word and beyond any definitions of the word. It's so infinite and endless, and we're taking that same trajectory. So your finances, your success, your network, all of the things, your love life, your relationships, it's all meant to follow that same perfect trajectory of constant expansion, meaning your life is supposed to keep getting better and better and better if you say yes to your goals, you say yes to your dreams, and you say yes to the signs of the universe, and you follow your heart. The universe is going to meet you there because you are an integral part of the universe, and it's here to support you in that process. So the universe has your back. Repeating signs are a very clear measurement that you are on the right track, and to keep going and keep focusing on expressing your gratitude to the universe that it has your back. Okay, this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Have an absolutely beautiful day. If this video speaks to you, hit the like button right over there on the side. Right there down below, I created a success hypnosis. It's called JakesHypnosis.com. You'll see it down below. It's free to use. Now, when you're working on your goals, your dreams, your desires, you're waiting for a sign, maybe you haven't seen repeating numbers yet, or you haven't seen some big blessing from the universe yet, it can be easy for old subconscious programming, old limiting beliefs to start talking you out of things, instilling you with fear. So I created a success hypnosis to retrain your subconscious mind. So your entire subconscious mind is programmed for success, so you attract what you want easier, and you're no longer bogged down with limiting thoughts, self-defeating thoughts, fearful thoughts, scary thoughts, because they've all been erased, and your whole subconscious is programmed for abundance, success, love, and happiness. Right there down below, you can use it for free every single day. I recommend using it every morning and every night, so you really reprogram it. It's JakesHypnosis.com right there down below. That's JakesHypnosis.com. So go ahead right now and download that for free right there down below. JakesHypnosis.com right there down below. And if you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell notification right over there. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. Even if you've already subscribed 19 million weeks ago, make sure you actually hit the bell notification. Otherwise, you actually will not ever get notified for new videos. So subscribe and bell notification. Remember, this universe is absolutely perfect. This universe supports all of creation for constant expansion. You are a part of that creation, so the universe is here to support all of your dreams, goals, and desires. The only thing that can ever stop that is our resistance to the natural perfection and flow of the universe from our old limiting patterns. So when that's occurring, the universe uses repeating numbers or other repeating symbols to show you all is well. All is well. The universe has your back. So comment down below, all is well. Comment that down below and say it to yourself, and take a deep breath in and say, all is well. All is well. All is well. The universe has my back. So JakesHypnosis.com right there down below that you can use for free to retrain your subconscious and remove all resistance. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching this video. I'll talk to you soon.